Hello children and welcome to the EVS class. So today we are concluding the lesson The Residences. This was the 10th chapter. Now it is time for a quiz. The question is, which of the following is not an essential for life features of community housing projects? The options are provision stores, film talkies, water supply, vegetable stall. So the correct answer is film talkies. The film talkies is not an essential for life feature. The others, provision store, water supplies, vegetable stalls, they are all essential for life features. But the film talkies, it comes under in entertainment and cultural programs. The next activity is usually community housing projects are implemented in suitable places in villages and cities. Okay, then the government built community houses in villages. The government has formed separate housing boards for the construction of houses in cities. So the government has formed separate housing boards, one for villages and one for cities. So many problems arise during constructions of houses in villages or cities. You will look into the projects and in details. The above pictures reveal some problems of the residential area. Here you can observe the following statements. Some problems are rural and urban areas are given. So before we are going to move on these activities, first you have to look at the pictures. In the first pictures shown here, you can see that there is a problem of garbage disposal that has resulted in the garbage being disposed right in front of the houses. So this is not healthy for the community buildings. Garbage disposal in front of the houses will release a lot of chemical substances which is not good for human consumptions. Also, garbage disposal in front of the houses will attract mosquitoes and other insects which might lead spread to the deadly diseases. In the next photo, we can see that the houses are not provided with the basic facilities like roofing, toilets, bathrooms, roads, etc. So the houses like this, imagine if there is heavy rains, it would be a big problem for the residents to keep themselves and the families safe. Next, in the third pictures, there is a long queue for water, drinking water. So water is one of the most basic essential for our life, and provision of drinking water must be neat to each individual house of the community. For the next activity, here they have given us the three problems of the housing areas in urban regions. We have to write the rest of other activities. Housing problems in urban areas. First one is no underground drainage system. The next problem is garbage disposal problem. So we learned that these two are very important facilities that are needed by any community in any housing areas. So the next question is problem is frequent fire accident in multi-storied buildings. Due to the near construction of different storied buildings, this might be to very frequent fires. Now let us think and write more problems that we have observed in housing area in urban regions. Here I have given two problems. observed in urban areas. One is safety of electric supplies. We have to make sure that the wire switches that are of the electricity supply to the houses are very safe and constructed in scientifically. So if they are left in the open, these are very dangerous to life. The next problem is water supply for drinking. We have observed that unfortunately many drinking sources such as ponds, lakes, rivers in urban areas are become very polluted. This water cannot be supplied for drinking. So if these water sources polluted, then urban housing areas get water from. So that is another problem, the shortage of drinking water supply. For the next activity, they have given us the 3 problems of housing areas in urban region. So you have to write the. Now here are the some housing features of the best city or village that should be needed in our daily life. First one is proper ventilation and light. So they need to be windows such that air and light should enter into the house. Next, rainwater harvesting system from the roof of each house and its storage. Next, the electricity obtained by solar energy. Next feature is closed underground drainage system. So we can see the drainage system is very important to maintain community sanitation. Proper system for garbage disposal and preparation of manure from garbage. Next, a good house can provide health, happiness and peace for the family members and their neighbors. Houses with the best facility lead to good health. That is the last part of this lesson, residences. So we have concluded the lesson residences. Goodbye children.